If you're going to play cards with your brother's kids, you might as well do it with a radio the size of a deck of cards. The CS-47 from Radioddity. Let's get this thing opened up real quick. Oh my god, it's tiny. We get a bunch of mounting accessories, and a microphone holder. We get the mounting bracket. We get the little tiny radio itself. And this is very tiny. Kind of see a future of this being a complete handheld unit, because this is the microphone itself. It says crystal. And then it's got an M for the speaker element. So your speaker's there, your microphone's there, volume up, volume down, emergency frequency function, squelch, AF, lock. You can lock the microphone. And then channel up, channel down, power on, and I guess MT is mute. Let's take a look at the manual. Radioddity usually has pretty decent manuals. Very straightforward, looks like it's written well enough. All right, let's get her powered on and play with her. Here we go. We have the Radioddity CS-47 plugged into the MFJ849 SWR and watt meter, which is plugged into the dummy load hiding behind here. And here is our microphone. Focus. All right, on the top is your power button. Hold that down and it comes on. Tells you it's a CB because you didn't know that already. It should say CB47, but it says CS47 instead. Decent looking screen there. Let's see if we can hit F for function. And then color is red, green, blue, cyan, purple, that's magenta, don't argue with me. Yellow, that's kind of green. Clear, I guess. And then back to red. I like the cyan the best. Beep on, let's turn that off. All 40 channels. And we're in FM mode. Now we're in AM mode. AM mode on channel 1 into a dummy load. No power, I like it. FM mode, channel 1 into a dummy load. Did I wire this thing up wrong? I did wire it up. I wired it up backwards. Now that you know what happens when you wire a meter up backwards, let's try this again. We are on FM mode. We got 3.57 watts out on FM mode. And then let's change to AM mode. And 3.58 watts out, 3.6 almost. Okay, so let's take a tool around the menu. Long press the F key, and you've got color choices. Beep, Roger beep. This is mic gain control, and you go from 0 through 9, default is 5. This is the scan type setting, either squelch scan or time scan. I like the time scan idea. ULE, it's actually VLE, and it's Vox sensitivity level. And then UTI, it's actually VTI, but there's only so much you can do with one of these displays. So UTI, VTI is the delay time setting on Vox. That's RFG, not RF9, which is your RF gain level. Timeout timer, high cut setting. This is your transmission noise reduction level setting, and it's set to 1. It goes 1 through 5, and then you can also turn it off. And this is RNR, your receive noise reduction setting, and it goes 1 through 5, and you can also turn it off. Looks like we got some CB traffic. This guy's saying he's from WDC. That cleans up real nice. That's off. That's 5. Does a pretty good job. We got AM, we got FM, we got CTCSS, we have Vox, we have noise reduction. This thing does pretty darn good on noise reduction. I was really impressed with it. There is a link in the description down below where you can get a discount on this radio. It is currently $100. There's a 10% off discount on the website, and when that runs out, I can get you $15 off using my link below. So either way, it's a good deal for you, and in fact, Tio did get down. There's a video right up here I think you'll enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you over there.